Hi, this is Preetha and you're watching Dakshin Curry. If you want to watch more of my videos, do click on the bell icon to get notifications. We are doing a tea special and today I'm going to show you how to brew white tea. Stay tuned. So the first step is going to be adding water. Now I'm going to allow this to come to a nice vigorous boil. Now that the water has come to a boil, I'm going to switch off the flame and I'm going to add our white tea and we'll allow this to infuse well for say 7 to 10 minutes. You don't want to boil the water after you have added the tea. Keep this aside till it infuses well. So let's strain the tea. So technically our white tea, which is full of antioxidants, is ready to have. Best had like this, but if you want you can add little bit of honey like I'm going to do, just a couple of drops, and squeeze of lime. Now this is completely up to you. If you want to do, you can do that, and do try out this tea and I'm looking for your feedback. If you have enjoyed watching this recipe, do click on the like, share and subscribe button.